Well, after we did the O-ring mod, we decided the next day we was going to take a trip down to the hobby shop. And they're always out of stock of the red leaf springs for this truck. But this particular day they actually had them in stock, so I snagged them up. So we did a little short clip of the O-ring mod and how it performed and everything, and I'll have that posted. And it done pretty good. I was surprised. Like, the O-ring mod actually is quite impressive for all it is. But I went ahead and installed the red leaf springs on it, and it is ridiculous. I mean, it articulates like a crawler now. So we're going to go out and we're going to test this out and see how it works. Alright, so you can see quite a bit difference. Alright. All red, and it is just, I mean, they certainly are super soft. I mean, this thing, I mean, and it's much more than what it would ever do before. So I think the next thing is going to have to be upgrade these shocks, because they're a little weak, and it certainly won't haul much weight in the back with these leaf springs like that. But we'll go out and see what it does. Here we are at our little testing grounds, and as you can see, now that mess is usually not there, but it is quite nice. It's all concrete, rocks, all concreted together, of course, and very rugged. It's pretty nice. So we're going to do a little test, see how those red leaf springs works. We're out doing a little bit of trail testing of the red leaf springs and a little bit of Everest Gen 7 fun. And you know, we're out in the middle of the woods. I'm using an iPhone with a little metal thing on the back that sticks on there to hold the phone. Every now and then it'll set up flat, but every now and then you need a tripod. Well, I don't have a tripod for a phone, so I had to improvise. Here is my tripod to hold my phone to get a couple of nice shots as the trucks drive by and all that. Got to utilize some garbage we found in the woods here, and so we're moving on to another spot where we're going to shoot a couple scenes, and I figured the truck can carry the tripod. I'm loving it. out with the trucks, just kind of exploring the woods and the river and all that good stuff. And oh, well, would you look at that? Somebody's built a lean-to. Let's have a look. This is actually pretty cool. It looks like well, this is a root or a vine, and it looks like another vine comes up like that, and that's what they use to build everything. That's pretty cool. Shoot, in the summertime, put some branches over top of that with some good leaves, and that's pretty awesome. I don't know who you are, but if you see this video, go ahead and leave a comment, because I like it. It's pretty cool.